Control 2023 here at the booth of Quality Engineering. Next to me is Stephen Randers, Managing Director X-Ray with Nikon Metrology. Nikon, of course, one of the exhibitors here at the show. What are you showing you? What innovations are you showing here?
Yes, this year in our X-ray part of the business we had quite some new innovations, and then which we launched over the past months. And then I think the control is the perfect opportunity to discuss those with customers and to see what this can bring them as an added benefit. And I think on software level it's about scanning faster for dual material, scanning like connectors, plastic and metal faster. Scanning batteries much faster, so based on scans of just some seconds, and then adding some AI learning to this, and then being able to identify overhang instantly. But this is all for the production, and we want to connect to those production lines. We want our resellers to easily connect our systems into the production line, both with robots, but also with the data. So we added an interface for this as well. And then some other smaller software innovations, but I think the most visible here was the huge system which we are showing, which is from the Voxels, a new range of systems, where we put the flagship system at our booth. And the innovation there, in the past we already had those systems that was mainly custom built, but we noticed that our customers, they prefer to have a finished solution, so really one product that we deliver at once, not the long project which is needed for that level of large volume CT inspections.
So here at Control, of course, everything's about quality assurance. So from your point of view, does the role or the importance of quality assurance in the companies, does this have changed recently in the recent years?
The importance is difficult to say, because most of our customers, if they invested in CT systems in the past, it's clear that the importance of quality was already high. It's a huge investment. But the role indeed that might have changed, where in the past it was often at the end we check. Now we see that we are going more in the production line, so we're becoming part of this production line. And then so our data is also used to correct the production, so correct the next steps or adapt the next products beforehand. So that's an important, and I think it's necessary if we to change. If we look at our customers as well, for instance the battery manufacturing, what they have to do, it's a huge challenge. So they are building new factories, they are building new products, they don't have the experience for 50 years. And they have to do this for unseen quantities of products. So they also demand more from our side. They don't know what they have to inspect. So sometimes they might see tomorrow, oh, this is an error, and we should in the future know more about this. But by using CT inspection, they already have the data. They can already look back, okay, what happened over the past for those specific features. So this helps as well, but this is clearly changing the role. It's grabbing data and not just inspecting a few known features. So it's much more than that.
You mentioned data, and of course digitization is changing things everywhere. What of impact has digitization on quality assurance from your point of view?
That's correct. That's indeed what is the way how this quality assurance will be done. So more platforms grabbing data from all different systems. Can be a simple temperature sensor, but it can also be more advanced systems like a Nikon CT system or laser radar vision systems. All this data is grabbed together to a platform, and just like they use data from every part, they will also use it for a lot of different applications. Might be simple inspection, might be simple report generation, but it can also be that they are going to use it to improve the production, to improve processes, or to predict that an error is going to come up, and so that they still have time to change the process. So there I see an important role, because the Nikon CT systems by design are the fastest micro-focus sources, so they can grab a lot of data in this production line, and they can really help in this digitization. So that's it.
So Stephen Randers, thank you very much for this interview. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.